Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you what would be a marble top table telephone, and we only have the working parts. We did not need the table, and this is Mike's equipment from MA. Mike also sent a dial gizmo because this telephone is of the age where some of them look like they were touch tone, but they actually dialed out in the rotary pulse signal. Now there is an issue with the solder on the main PC board of the keypad, so that all needs to be resoldered. So that could have been the reason why it's not dialing out. Now with the dial gizmo in the circuit and connected up to the telephone may have caused issues. There's some other problems that are listed here with Mike's letter. The bell does not ring, so they could not get the bell to ring. We need to troubleshoot the bell and the bell circuit. There's a rattling going on in the handset, so we want to take care of that issue. And there's static. So we've already troubleshooted a little bit, and we know the T1 transmitter is noisy. So we're going to be installing an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. We will open up that T1 and remove all the working parts, and then build our circuit inside that T1, then put it all back together again. It will have plenty of transmit power when we're finished. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all the solder at the network is good, and if anything needs to be resoldered, we'll take care of that issue. And we want to make sure that all of our connections to the network are proper and that they are making contact. So there's a lot of issues that we need to take care of. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone equipment that belongs to a marble top table, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this equipment. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs and conversion and the upgrade to the T1 transmitter. So we took the original T1 transmitter that the telephone equipment came in with, and since it was bad and had low audio and it was also staticky, we took that T1 transmitter apart and cleaned out all the working parts and assembled our electronic amplified transmitter circuit inside the T1 and put it back together again. You will have plenty of transmit power with the electronic amplified transmitter. We also installed a plug for the line that connects the keypad to the network. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We have it at the network so that we can pick up the audio for the receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it's prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of a hum or electronic noise. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And we want to ring this unit. We're going to let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. You can see how bright that light is for our indicator of your transmit, and you'll have plenty of transmit power with the electronic amplified transmitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now what we want to do is go ahead and move our line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, April 29th. The current time, 4:26 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
Now that we know that these telephone component parts that belong to a marble top table telephone has been upgraded, repaired, and converted, we can return this equipment back to Mike and he can enjoy the marble tabletop telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.